just arrived in Bangkok the day prior, and I was so excited today to see what our first full day had in store for us.
So it's a new morning here in Bangkok, and we are at our meeting point because we're joining a group and we're going to go see the train market, and then we're going to go to the famous floating market. Now these markets are a little bit far away, and because transportation is difficult in getting to them, we've chosen to do a group tour, which I'm going to leave in the description for you. So it should be a really great day. I'm really looking forward to this.
Our tour was booked through Get Your Guide, and our incredible tour guide Jimmy would be our certified local guide for this weekend's Sunday market tour. I love that Get Your Guide will pick you up either at your hotel or very close. Our meeting point was literally only 2 minutes walking from our hotel. Today's tour would be a 7 to 8 hour tour and would take us from Bangkok to two of the most famous markets in Thailand. We would first take a coach bus for 2 hours to visit the Maeklong Railway Market, and then after that, we would get back on the coach bus for another 30 minutes to be taken to the Damnoen Saduak Floating Market, which also includes a 30-minute long-tail boat ride. To conclude our tour, we would be taken back to Bangkok and dropped off at the Icon Siam Mall.
I will charge you for that. First time to Thailand? Welcome to Thailand. There's a saying, once you come to Thailand, you will always come back. Last year we have 28 million people coming to visit Bangkok. It's the world's most visited city. Thailand has 75 million people. Bangkok has 15 million, excluding the tourists. Why people like to come to visit Thailand? The country is beautiful. The people are friendly. The food is delicious. Am I right?
Yes.
And the Thai boxing is so exciting to watch. And if you want to be the most stunning lady in the party, get yourself a Thai silk dress. But it's required dry clean. Don't put it in the washing machine, you ruin the fabric. Thai food in Thailand is more delicious than Thai food that you have in the restaurant back at home. Because all the herbs and ingredients are fresh, the aroma is there. With the same amount of money, if you go to Southern Europe, it will last you maybe 7 days or 10 days maximum. But with that same amount of money, it will last you 1 whole month easily here if you manage your budget properly. If you do not want to cook again ever in your life, come to retire in Thailand. You can eat out 3 meals a day. It's reasonable enough. You can even have a maid and a driver. You don't realize how rich you are until after you sell a house in Europe and move to live in Thailand. In Thailand, we consider head is the highest part of the body and foot at the lower part. So please do not point with your foot to Thai people who will consider rude.
The Maeklong Railway Market, also known as the Umbrella Pull-Down Market, is a very unique market because it is centered on the Maeklong Railway's track, and whenever a train approaches, the awnings and the shop fronts are moved back from the rails to be replaced only when the train has passed. The market is great for souvenirs, but best known for selling fruits, vegetables, and is one of the largest fresh seafood markets.
So we are just walking into the train market.
I'm walking, but all these thoughts are running. Yelling, catch me if you can. And I'm wondering if I should chase behind or stop wondering and try to take a stand. Oh, and they keep asking where the hell I'm going, who I'll be for the rest of my life. Well, I don't know where time is gonna take me. No, I'm just trying to take my time. I'm dreaming, and my coffee is steaming, getting colder with time. And I'm wondering if maybe all this dreaming is better left to the night. sleeping? Will I just toss and turn all night? And I don't know where time is gonna take me. No, I'm just trying to take my time. Stay, and I'm almost lost. Say I'll stay, and I'm almost lost. Say I'll stay.
First one, make this, and this one,
Okay, yep.
make this.
Yep. Voila. Slow. Say I'll stay, and I'm almost slow. Say I'll stay, just wait. Oh, so tell me that it's gonna be alright. Oh, tell me that it's gonna be just fine. See, I don't know where time is gonna take me, so I'm just gonna take my time. Oh, I'm just gonna take my time.
So this is a really amazing experience. If you're coming to Bangkok, you definitely need to do this market. Again, I will leave the link for the tour in the description.
You've been paying rent here in my head. Tried to fight it off, tried to hold my breath. I keep holding back, trying not to crash right into you. But you look at me like you know something I don't. It's almost like you see where this thing's gonna go. And well, I think you might be right. I'm thinking maybe I'm way past the point of no return. I'm running traffic lights to spend a little time looking into your eyes. Swear I've been aching, I've been waiting for you all my life. This must be what love feels like. You got me high as a satellite. All that I know is I think I like life a little better with you on my mind. Am I in too deep or being naive? Will you lift me up or send me to my knees? Start prophesizing that you'll wreck my life and leave me high and dry, yeah. But you look at me like you know something I don't. It's almost like you see where this thing's gonna go. Well, I think you might be right. I'm thinking maybe I'm way past the point of no return. I'm running traffic lights
Hey everyone! I just want to take a moment to talk to you about the travel booking platform, Get Your Guide. If you're planning a trip and looking for some unique experiences, or maybe you just need some skip the line tickets to some of those famous attractions, Get Your Guide is definitely the way to go. They operate in over 150 countries, providing a diverse range of experiences from popular attractions to off-the-beaten-path experiences in thousands of destinations. In Singapore, we bought skip the line tickets, saving us up to 40% on combination tickets for Gardens by the Bay, and then in Thailand, we had the best stress-free day trip to the weekend floating market and train market, all led by an expert certified local guide, giving us a true, authentic experience, and they even picked us up right next to our hotel. So for all of your skip the line tickets, specialized tours, walking tours, food and beverage tours, cooking and craft classes, bucket list experiences, and niche offerings, you're gonna wanna check out Get Your Guide. And by using the link I'm providing in the description, it does go towards supporting my channel and allowing me to produce future content. So we thank you so much for all of the support. It can also be found on my website at hollycaputoproductions.com under resources. Now, back to the video.
The Damnoen Saduak Floating Market is one of the most famous and largest floating markets in Thailand. The market has been around since the 1860s, when the Damnoen Saduak Canal was constructed by order of the king to connect the rivers. The market is open daily from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., but most busy on the weekends. Our beautifully decorated longtail boat was at the dock waiting upon our arrival. The boats sit comfortably around 4 to 6 people, and once you make your way through the market, you'll find stalls line both sides of the river, and boats in the river are also loaded up with fresh fruits and sweet and savory treats to offer you as you float along. The market is incredibly lively, and it's definitely a foodie market.
Remember, don't put your hands right here.
Yeah. Oh, so cool, and look.
The market is incredibly lively, and it's definitely a foodie market, so you'll want to make sure to try as many different things as possible. But the one thing you can't leave the market without trying is the coconut ice cream.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you.
Okay, this is absolutely nuts. Oh my god. No queues here.
And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like
Okay, had to get some of the famous coconut ice cream. They make it all pretty.
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn.
Oh, it's very hot. Look at
It's flying squirrel.
flying squirrel. Oh my gosh. This is hot banana, or fried banana. It is hot.
Hot.
Oh wow, that's really
Like this
good.
potato. It's not hot.
Can I get, how much was that
One
banana?
packet 150 baht. One packet.
For 50 baht? Okay. These are really good, wow.
Caught myself free falling deep into your eyes. came to me without warning, but I knew I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both.
Coconut and pork.
Whatever.
We need, how much is it?
And the chicken one looks
50?
good.
You want that duck? You
One of that and one of, yeah, the duck
Okay.
looks better.
Can I get one of each? One's coconut pancake. Okay, for takeaway. So this is different than a takoyaki. This is actually a coconut pancake. At first that's what I thought it was takoyaki, which is a Japanese tradition, but this is their own.
Already know escape this time with me. Escape this time with me.
So I'm not sure what this is exactly, but it looked good and I needed to get it. I'm pretty sure this is coconut, the outside of it, and maybe a sweet filling. I'm not sure if it's just jelly stuff in the middle of it, but I'm gonna try it. You know, it's gonna fall apart as soon as I bite it. So it tastes like a marshmallow inside of it. It's good though. And this is a coconut pancake. Try that too. Like my like corn or something inside. Wow, this is amazing. It's like a corn fritter. It's really hot though. See? But messy.
We had the best day exploring the train and floating market on our day trip with Get Your Guide and with our incredible guide, Jimmy. Again, I'll leave the link for you for the trip in the description. Make sure that you're subscribed because next we start to explore Bangkok. See you next time.